Hi guys, if you don't know when to use on, in or at, then this video is exactly for you. Today we're gonna talk about prepositions. We use at when we talk about the time, for example, at 5 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, or we can say at 10:25, 9:15. We use at with such expressions as at noon, at night, and at midnight. At the weekend, at weekends. When we talk about holidays, for example, at Christmas, at Easter. When we talk about the actions which are happening right now, we use such time expressions as at the moment or at present. And don't forget about the expression at the same time. If we talk about the months of the year, in January, in March, in August, in September, etc. When we talk about seasons, for example, in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn. We use in when we talk about the action which happened in the past, for example, in 1945, or we can use in 2020. We use in with such expressions like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. If we're gonna talk about actions which will be happening in the future and we want to say when exactly they will be happening, then we will be saying in a minute, in 5 hours, in 10 years. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But if we have some days of the week, we will be saying on Monday morning, on Friday evening, or on Saturday afternoon. For example, I will meet you on Monday morning, or I'll meet you in the morning. Does she run in the evenings? Or we can say, does he jog on Friday mornings? We use preposition on when we talk about days of the week. For example, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday. When we talk about specific date, for example, on the 5th of May, like tomorrow, my birthday. We use preposition on if we talk about the subject which is located on the surface of some other thing. We use preposition in when we talk about something which is located exactly inside another thing. For example, in the bag, because we put something inside the bag. We use preposition on when we talk about buses, trains, and airplanes. For example, I need to get on a bus in 10 minutes. If you can stand or you can walk on the vehicle, then you have to use the preposition on. That's why we say in a taxi, because we cannot walk there. Note that we don't use such prepositions as at, on, in, with such words like next, last. This, every, all, each, some, any, one. For example, I will see you this week. Let's go to the cinema next Saturday. If you like this video, don't forget to give me some likes. Don't forget to press the button, subscribe, and press the notification bell. If you have some questions, you can leave them down below, and see you soon. Bye bye.